when you are using units, you can be in doubt what is the abbreviation of that unit. You can find out by going to this insert unit. It's a vessel, and there you can see you have the main category. For instance, if I go to force, let's see, force, there we have it. There are the subcategories or the subunits. You can see meganewton, etc., and newton. So it's just to choose and click OK, then you have it. So an example could be I want to know how much is 3 acres. So I have to find the units, the name for acre. So I go for area. Yes, and I see the abbreviation is acre. So I said OK, and choose, for instance, 3 acre, and that is equal to, and then it should calculate it to square meter. I'll take a little time. There we have it in square meter, like this. So 3 acre is 12,141 square meter. So use this if you are in doubt.